Kashmir has been a special place for eminent scholars, philosophers, poets and Sufi saints. Kashmiri poets have contributed immensely to the field of Kashmiri language and Kashmiri literature. Shams Faqir. Shams Faqir was a Sufi poet of Kashmir and was born in 1843 in Chinkral Mohalla, Habba Khatoon in district Srinagar of Jammu and Kashmir. Many of his poems are on the theme of a mystic quest for the primal cause of the universe. His poems Miraj Nama recounts Prophet Muhammad's spiritual journey to God. He died in 1901 and was buried at Krishpura, Shamsabad in district Budgam of Jammu and Kashmir. Soch Kral. Soch Kral was a Kashmiri Sufi poet and Sufi saint and was born in 1782 in Pulwama district of Jammu and Kashmir. He was a potter by profession and lived a simple life devoted to spirituality, monotheism and mysticism. Soch Kral used his poetry as a tool to enlighten the minds of common people and promoted Sufism in Kashmiri poetry. He had never been to any school, but he had good hold in Persian language. It is said that he got married but later divorced his wife. He was a vegetarian. Soch Kral died at the age of 80 in 1855. Wahab Khar. Abdul Wahab Khar was the 19th century Kashmiri Sufi mystic poet and saint. He was born around 1842 at Shar in district Pampur of Jammu and Kashmir. He was from a blacksmith family. He was actively engaged in writing Sufi devotional poems and used to attend musical gatherings throughout his life. Initially, he was believed to have psychological abilities and conceptual approach such as moral reasoning. After covering Sufism in his poetry, he was then regarded as Sufi poet and saint. Not only Sufi Muslims, his shrine is often visited by the devotees from different religions, including Christians, Sikhs and Hindus. Ahad Zargar. Abdul Ahad Zargar, a Kashmiri Sufi poet, was born in 1882 in district Srinagar of Jammu and Kashmir. The poet received his early education in a local maktab and he learned great classical Persian literature and mastered Maulana Rumi and Sheikh Sadi. Ahad Zargar, who is counted as last of the Sufi poets of Kashmir, despite taking this genre of Kashmir poetry to new heights in thought, content and form, remained tethered to traditions. Ahad Zargar died at a ripe age of 102 on November 21, 1984.